Who knew front office at O'Broy's would lead me to the chef's table? Hi, I'm Chef Samara, founder at Samara Pastry. So my journey began right after school when I was selected for the STEP program at O'Broy's in front office and food and beverage section. It was a really great opportunity, but somehow very early on I realized that this is not what I want to do, and my heart was truly in kitchen. And I think it was around the same time when I was offered an internship at my friends who just started a new studio kitchen of their own. So it was that time when I got to learn all the basics of what a KitchenAid is and how to operate a weighing scale. And I truly enjoyed that experience overall. And it was that time in my life when I realized that this is what I want to do. This is the career that I want to put forward and explore more about it. So she was the one who recommended me to go to different pastry schools, and that is when I came across Academy of Pastry and Culinary Arts. One thing that made me join APCA was the hands-on training more than theory. Because trust me, I hate theories. I got to understand the role of baking, the science of what goes behind when you put a product inside the oven, how to develop recipes from scratch. Everything I got to learn from APCA under one roof. And I'm very grateful for Chef Asthik for his constant support and guidance throughout, even after I left the academy. And how can I forget Chef Alicia? Her chocolate display classes were amazing, and we had a lot of fun as a group of students. After APCA, I was offered a 6 months internship program at O'Broy's. After completing that program, I was offered a job as a commie in the bakery pastry section. And my second milestone was when I was offered a DCDP position at Leela Ambience, and I was part of the new pastry shop, The Rev. But due to unforeseen circumstances, I had to leave the hotel industry, and that gave birth to Samara Pastry. That break in between became a blessing in disguise, and I was able to start my own pastry from home, and I love doing what I do every single day. Samara Pastry was built on a simple vision to serve high quality desserts with the best ingredients I can get my hands on. Our simple vision is to make sure that whatever pastry leaves our kitchen is made with utmost care and a whole lot of love. Samara Pastry has been running successfully for over a year now, and we have been blessed with loyal customers who come to us time and again, whether it's for their birthday celebrations, anniversaries, or they just want to just buy a small bite just to indulge in themselves, just to buy a small dessert. I would say don't go on my words. Why don't you try the desserts for yourself? See you ordering from Samara Pastry.